Yeah, so we wanted to kind of encapsulate all the things that kind of made up this last year here as we have navigated construction. So obviously a lot of it is orange and black, our Bain Pride shirts, a Bain Pride banner. We did a letterhead with Dave and I's name on it just to kind of come to the year. And then our yearbook from last year, it says we're a big deal because this is such a big deal of what we've gone through and the beautiful building that we have. We included our Bain Pride points that the kids get as part of our school-wide positive behavior support program. We also had to include the headlines, and of course Travis Kelce made the headline news, and then we included our 2024-2025 school calendar, and then finally what our middle school schedule looks like for the 24-25 school year. So we included a couple pictures too, just of the project itself. Our first day of school this year, we took a selfie with all of our 6th graders. Some of our kids went in pride shirts. We included our newest staff member, Toby, who is our therapy dog that's going to be joining us this year. It's Dave's dog. One of our movers actually came over the weekend prior to opening the school. Mrs. Palsky helped us move some chairs, so she got to make it into the box. We included a hall pass. Hopefully, again, there's no paper in the future. And then our first Pride Day that's coming up tomorrow.